So, welcome back, guys. Welcome, my family and friends. Welcome back on another trading live stream today. We have no really impact news today, and I am waiting. Morning, sir. Good morning. I saw this opportunity here, which is right now really good actually. 1 hour candle. The 30-minute candle closed bullish after many bearish moves, closed above this highs here. And the 1 hour candle is going to close in 12 minutes. But we are going to make what we do every day. First of all, I need some Spotify. And then I am going to start to do some chart analysis. All right, let's go. So let me delete this. Yesterday daily low, marking out. And the daily high. Scaling down, forward time frame looking like a consolidating market. Look at this. Market is squeezing in this area. No clear direction currently. 1 hour is trying to make a bullish move. 10 minutes to go. $30 minutes. Looking also really consolidating here, guys. So we definitely have here area at the downside. Yesterday we couldn't break this level up here. Maybe today we're going to shoot up. 50-minute also looking really shitty, to be honest. We are just in a ranging market. No clear direction here either. And in the 5-minute, we don't have any direction currently. Only what I'm seeing is a little bit going up here. Okay. We got like pushed down from the sellers until we got triggered here at this point. At this level here. Price started to reverse, made a break of structure, is retesting now the area to the downside, and there's a potential buy potential. But we have also 15-minute time frame. We have 3 candles which closed really weak. Let's see if we can go get higher here, and if we are going to hold ourselves up. So we're going to wait this 1 hour candle. There's still 8 minutes to go. On trading you, when you try to select gold charts, top left corner, yours Oanda, but mine shows capital.com. Does it make any difference? It's actually the server which is hosting like the chart, you know. It's actually important that you check, like I would recommend Oanda, using Oanda most of the time. But in the end, normally they have to show all the same chart, more or less. These are only the servers which are hosting. You know, when I change now to forex.com, you see it's basically the same. So our last buying area definitely down here. This is also where the previous low is from the daily candle. No, sorry. The previous low and high is up here. What I'm seeing down here then. Ah, it's from the other candle, but this area is anyways really interesting because we have some good reactions at this zone here. Let me delete this, but you see this kind of push. You know, we made yesterday this mistake. We entered the market in here with the last position, with the buying position. But New York decided, as you can see, this is New York. When they came in, they went for this lows here. Okay, they tapped 3 times in it and then they reversed. This will be a like really nice entry if you would enter here. So we are going now for the more safe way, because 3 losses in a row currently was really heavy for all of us. So we are going to wait a little bit more for like important zones or important price action, like when we see like really good moves with a good candle closure. That's what I'm looking for now. So basically I am going to make my first alarm at the 96 mark. And as we can see, this 1 hour candle is getting pushed down, guys. You know, it was like really fakey to enter in here with the bullish move, because as you can see here now, this 5-minute candle going to close, and then the next 5-minute candle is also going to push the shit out of this 1 hour candle, because it's now the last 5 minutes. Sellers want to make sure that this 1 hour candle is going to close weak. That's what I think right now. Hmm? What I'm also thinking is price to start to get weak up here. Like when we check out the daily time frame, okay? We get some reactions. Like we made the first dip. The second candle yesterday went all the way down, making space to push even more down. And this current candle, this current daily candle started also really strong bearish, okay? Which means maybe we can expect to get also even lower with these levels here. So the last 2-minute 50 for this 1 hour candle. Because London didn't make like any real big move today. Look at this. We are consolidating here. Look at this. 1,300 pips move in total. Squeezing price again. Exactly, Z10. Exactly. How you doing, Z10? Welcome to the chat. Welcome to the people. I hope you're good, guys. These last days are really hard for me, man. We are tanking losses, but that's what I'm saying most of the time. We need to be able to tank these losses. So as I expect, look at this 1 hour candle. We was up here at this level. And now sellers are making sure that this 1 hour candle is going to close bearish. That's what I think. So as soon as we reach this level, I think we should be on the negative side and the seller side with this 1 hour candle. Last 1 minute, 20 seconds. Let's see. Yes, the candle is already negative. You'll see this manipulation here. "35 seconds. Let's see. I'm really curious how they're going to close this 1 hour candle. Bullish or bearish? Yes, it's bearish. It's going to be bearish, guys. This is going to be bearish. This is going to close bearish. Yeah. Okay, candle closed bearish. 1 hour candle. Let's see if they can break this level here now. Mid size is in here somewhere. Consolidating market, man, is the most patient eating thing in trading when the market is going sideways. I am excited for today. Did a little recovery this morning and I am so grateful for everything. I love trading when even with drawdowns. Yes, I can understand. Sometimes there's hard trading days, man, and this is part of the experience, guys. Like, this is really part of the experience. If you don't lose in trading, you don't learn. If you don't lose in trading, you can't grow, man. If you don't lose in trading, there is no winning in trading, guys. Like, it's total part of this. In every freaking business you do in life. Like, when you don't lose in this business, you cannot learn, you cannot grow, you cannot upgrade your business. Good. We're breaking down this zone also. We are killing this zone. We are coming closer to our zone of interest, which is here, the New York lows and Sydney lows, for example. Not New York, sorry. Sydney and Tokyo low, yes. That's what we are looking for. The Sydney and Tokyo low, which is here in this area. So, to me, in order to make a decision here, I am going to wait. I am going to wait until the price dips in. Then I am going to wait until the price shows a reaction. Then I am going to wait until price and candle make a nice bullish closure. Then I'm going to wait for the next candle to see how it is going to react. If the next candle is be really aggressive and trying to overcast the previous candle. If not, we wait and see. If we're getting clear confirmation, more and more buyers coming inside the market, we are going to buy. That's the plan for today. But right now, with this steepness, with this steep drop of sellers, we're definitely going to wait until the knife stopped falling, you know? Crazy, crazy reaction. You see this? It's a really crazy reaction here right now. But we are going to wait, guys. And my cat is doing light athletic this morning. She went to Pilates, my cat, this morning. I made the door open, you know. She jumped out from the second floor into the garden, and there are the cat friends outside. She takes the Pilates mat, you know, to put on the ground. And I watched from the window today. I was drinking the tea, and my cat was doing Pilates. And the cool part was my cat was the leader, you know, the teacher of the Pilates group. Many cats came, they made Pilates, they talk, they pray to God. And then, yeah. When the door was ringing, I opened the door and my cat came with the mat, and she was happy. And she just throw her stuff in, and then she went to take a shower right away. And then she made a little nap, and now she told me she is learning ninjutsu. Like ninjutsu is a Chinese and I think Japanese a martial art that they use to coach ninjas to kill people in the past. And she's learning currently the ninjutsu for cats, you know, like ninjutsu for mouses, sorry. That's the reason why she's training hard with the mouse in the background, as you can see. And she know exactly that I'm talking about her. That's the reason why she was looking right now. You see this martial arts from her? That's masterwork, guys. She's doing ninjutsu. Yeah. You're doing ninjutsu. Oh, you see? I asked her. She just like instantly showed me another trick. Yeah, that was just a story from my cat today. I wanted to share this with you guys, because I think it's really important to know my cat is also working. But actually she's pissed because I didn't make her matcha. Okay, 5-minute candle closure. Tried to close bullish. We made a dip, a fast dip down, and we got like a big candle up. So we have this level here that need to be cracked and closed. Hopefully don't, because I want that price is going lower. Are you full-time trader? Yes, I'm a full-time trader. That's the only thing I'm doing right now. Only trading. I mean, what do you mean with full-time trader? Like, I'm opening these live streams and I do trading. Basically, yes, it's a full-time trader. Full-time in Germany is like 8 hours trading, but we are not trading 8 hours a day. So please, price, don't go higher. I want to go down with you. I want to go down with you and get a really good entry at this lower levels here. Yes, I meant that, yeah. Perfect, thank you, price. Thank you for reacting. Now please break this zone here. 5 seconds to go. Really big bearish move. Nice. One minute 50 to go. Important zones are breaking. Can you please break this zone here for me? Go break it. Go break it and close below it. Thank you. The first breaker. Now you need to stay bearish at this down level, and then we are good to go to the next level, to the next floor, the downside. Crazy reaction, guys, crazy reaction. Are you in this trade? No, I'm not in this trade. I'm actually waiting. Right now I'm waiting. I'm waiting until price reaching this bottom zone here, but seems like price is not pushing lower than this level here that we have. As you can see in the past, price also went into this level and reversed up, so we have also here the potential now that the price reversed up a little bit. Hopefully don't, because we have big sellers inside the market with these two big candles. Of course, buyers trying to react on it now. But I hope we have more selling orders coming in here than buyers reacting right now. Because I really don't want to buy in here, guys, to be honest. Like, there's a possibility to buy in here, but I don't like to buy in here. I don't like to buy in here. But for now, we have like two really big 5-minute wicks to the downside, which is a first good buyer's confirmation. But this level is too low for me to buy in. So I'm going to wait, man. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait at least this last 5-minute candle, because then we are setting the 50-minute candle. You see this level here, guys? This is clear rejection to the top. Clear rejection to the top. All these little tiny hairs here to the upside, there is selling pressure inside the market. Even when we go a little bit now into this direction, we couldn't crack this level here to the top. So this could be a retest to the downside, like to the... Oh, sorry guys. To this moving average here. I'm not hyped. I'm calm. In the 1 minute we have a double bottom. Here and here, double bottom marked out. We have a break of structure. We closed above the break of structure. But this picture can be really foolish. What can happen now is price is coming back to the zone, to this mid-range, and starting shooting up. I love this kind of setup, but in the 5-minute time frame. Okay, in the 5-minute time frame, not in the 1 minute. And the reason why I'm still waiting is this 50-minute candle, this big sell-off at this level in the top. 30 minutes, also big sell-off with the overcast of the previous candle. Then the 1 hour candle. Many times, and the last one closed also really weak. 4 hours, same way, guys. It's like really squeezing in. Price is squeezing in, so it's really hard to making trading decision right now. Don't be sad if the price is even shooting higher, because I told you there's a possibility to buy in here. But me currently not sure about that. Today, too many liquidity hunts, gold trying to party at weekend. Yes, I think the same, yes. Come on, go touch this moving average. Okay, you touched it. Okay. Okay, what's going to happen now? I mean, these are some really good confirmations here, guys. Like this big 5-minute candle that is shooting up here right now is nice confirmations, actually. Maybe this is the reaction from the 1 hour candle that finally want to push up. We wait this candle closure to see how this candle is going to close. And we're going to check what the next candle is going to do. Maybe we can take a little buy off here with stop losses here at this level, guys. Because this is a big buying confirmation here. We have the first 5-minute candles with long wicks to the downside. The third one is really bullish. Means buyers coming into the market. And in this 50-minute, they are not able to close above this level here. Are they going to do it? 2 seconds. No, they couldn't, but they closed really bullish. So now how the price going to react? Price is slowing down. We are just here. We are just here. Price is slowing down. We got some reaction. Price is squeezing in. This is insane. Okay. No financial advice at this point. I'm going to buy this in here, guys, with low risk. Please, with low risk, don't put your whole life into this trade. Don't be mad if you are going to lose this trade. Just with low risk. Okay. Let me mark out everything. Oops. Right now. So at 9, 2609, 26, 11, 26, 13. And the stop loss, guys. Wenn wir bei 7 sind, machen wir unseren Stop Loss. For 600, for 600. No, I'm not going to risk that much. Let me put the alarm for Forex 09 because there's our first take profit target. I'm going to do this instead for 601. So, if price going to crack this level, we are going to launch off. That's what I hope, at least. Let me measure this size out here from this level. This will be an insane trade. But like this big candles is giving me this kind of confirmation right now. But let's stay first at this level here, okay? So let's mark out our take profit targets. TP1 here. And at 24 mark. So 11 second take profit target. 13 and the 24 mark just here. So TP1 here. TP2 here. TP3 here. So we are about to hit take profit 1. I need to make sure. Yes, TP1 is hit. Take profit 1 is hit, guys. Take profit 1 is hit. Let's mark out the alarm for the 11 mark. 11. And then we are going for the 13. Okay. So eleven, 13, 13 and 24. 24. So let's see, guys. Hopefully price is going to make it, man. Because we had really big struggle to push through the zone. So I'm not going to put my stop loss now just at break even, because we can make definitely some drawdowns here, you know, because we are trying to push into the zone. And if this 50-minute candle just closing like this way bullish, we have a high chance to break this level finally, you know, because in the first level we couldn't make it through. Now we get some really strong buyers in, and now the buyers need to hold the line in order we can make it to the upper levels, you know? We need to break the zone here where we are currently. Stop loss and break even, you need to check the Telegram group, my friend. Stop loss is here currently. At the, here. At this one mark here. When do you go break even? After take profit 2, yes. Mostly after take profit 2 I go break even. Just really rarely I go break even after TP1. But in this case I want to leave this trade some air. Okay? So because I'm expecting that we are going to make some drawdowns. So stop loss, I can mark it out for our friends too. The 15 minutes, 6 minute 30. And yeah, as I say, I expect definitely some drawdowns here. Maybe that the price going to squeeze. Or we're lucky and the price is explode more high. The important part is I want that this 15-minute candle, guys, has to survive in this level. It has to survive. The buyers need to survive now in this top level. Like, if this 50-minute candle, like, reversing, like, insanely down and closing here, then we are cooked, guys. Then we are cooked. But for now, it's looking good. I want that this candle is surviving now at this top level. We're getting great pushes in. We are about to crack the mark 10. 4,610. Actually, we crack it already. Yes. 4,610 is cracked. And only 1,000 points, then we made it to TP2. 4,611. 5 seconds for this candle closure. Great candle closure and great candle start from the 5 minute. The problem is our take profit 2 target is just at this level, like really close to this high rejection point where we can have some drawdowns. Let's see. Let's see if the momentum of the price. But yeah, I have faith in this trade because of this big candles that is drawing out here. Come on, this is the last 5-minute candle. This is the last 5-minute candle. Survive. Survive. Guys, if this is surviving like this, we have high chance to shoot even higher. Like, this is what we are looking now. This 50-minute candle. Not the 5-minute anymore. 4 minutes to go. At least close in this level, in this range here. I want that price is closing here, inside here. And not below. Let's pray together like you cat. Yeah, she prayed today, man. My cat was praying today. So, 5 minutes, what are you doing? Yes, come on. Come on, buyers. Let's make some new highs here. Let's make some new highs. Let's break the old patterns. Come on. Don't let yourself dominate from the sellers. We want to be bullish. We want to shoot up the price with our horns, man. Come on. That's what we are looking for. I mean, look at the size of these candles, guys. The size is crazy. I mean, this was also scary. It was like, okay, it's going to be the last dip to the downside before we are shooting up. Let's take some early buyers out before we are shooting up. Price loves to do this. Grab some liquidity. So, it seems like we are stable, and this is really, really good, guys. We have 2 minutes to survive in this level, which is great. Last 2 minutes, come on. And then I just want to close positive and the live stream. Oh, sorry, guys. Cold days, man. What can I tell you? Luckily, my flat is really warm. Without heating. Sneezing like a Familienvater. Yes. Yeah, true. You know those dads? Like when you was with your dad sleeping there and then you go to the toilet in the morning, he's like man, this was some key memories, telling you. And you was like, my dad, come on. What is this in the morning, man? I want to sleep. Come on, 40 seconds, buyers. Hold yourself up. Hold yourself up. Come on. Come on. When we are closing like this, let's check the... Yes. Perfect. TP2 is also hit, boys. Take profit 2 is also hit. After a losing streak of 3 trades in a row, we finally make it back to at least a take profit 2 target. And now I am going break even, my friend. Now I am going break even here. Set the break even 788. TP4. Break even. Of course, we're going to get some drawdowns now. But look at the size of the 30-minute candle, boys. Look at the size of this 30-minute candle. That's buying confirmation, guys. This is big buying confirmation. When did we see the last time such a big move? Here, I mean, this is the New York session, of course, it's the New York session. But right now, that's a really nice, really nice. I mean, look at this 3 candles here, guys. Look at this potential of these 3 candles. What I am seeing is we had in the 30-minute time frame, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 1 hour 30, 2 hours. We had 2 hours 4 candles, which was really bearish. Then buyers came in, trying to push the price up. Sellers came back in, overcast the previous candle in the 30 minutes. Then buyers came back in the market and fucked everyone up. Sorry for saying that, but you know what I mean. Making this insane big move. Like let's check how many pips is this even here. Let's check out. Let's measure. It's a 1,100 pips move, guys, that they made. Of course, we're going to have some drawdowns now here. Hopefully not too much drawdown, because I want to hit stop take profit 3 before break even would be nice. This would be really cool. Again and again. So one last minute, 1 minute 10. Whew, look at this. Great. So guys, take profit 3 is also hit. Man, I need to scroll so high up because we made many losses these days. But there is light in the end of the tunnel, guys. And the darkest days and the darkest losses we do, we are raising back. We are coming up from the ashes. And this is the way we are always going to do this. We just don't lose hope in trading, guys. Jawohl. So, take profit 3. For the people who don't know the strategy, this is basically always 200 pips different. Okay, so we should have here around about 600 pips. Yes, 635. Okay, this is my just getting some profits in. This is my just getting profits in. Okay, this take profit 1, 2, and 3 is just getting profits in. And it's relieve my stress, you know, because I go break even already at take profit 2. So it's 400 pips, man. I'm not a greedy trader. I don't need to shoot always like 2000 pips moves. I am having this scalping model where I am taking early profits and going early into break even, okay, just to reduce losses. Risk reward, 1 to 1 done. So guys, doesn't mean that you need to have that you need to trade the same strategy like me. You can just use also my my signal to the up or to the down. And make yourself a strategy where you do also your own risk management. When we start winning, it's almost impossible to lose. You know what I read yesterday, man? I read yesterday that winners are even more dangerous than losers, man. And this made me think. Because when you start winning and winning and winning over and over again, and I'm here and telling like, hey, my highest win streak is 27 wins in a row. You come mentally into a position where you think, and psychology, you think you are the best. You think you are like really, really good in trading. And then you start to make mistakes, man, because you think like the market is under my hand, but then you start to do the biggest losses, man. That's what I learned yesterday. That's the point where I was like thinking, okay, man. This is right, bro. This is all right. When was the 27 win streak? You need to check in my Telegram group. I'm not sure exactly when it was, but you can go and scroll a little bit up in the Telegram group. And then you can see somewhere is going to pop up the text is like, and we continue with the win streak of 22 or 23. And until you see also stop loss where I wrote the 20s, we end our win streak with 27 trades in a row. You can check all my signals in the Telegram group. Where are you from in Germany? From Cologne. I'm from Cologne in Germany. And you, I saw, are you also German or what? Oh, guys, man. Yeah, from Stuttgart. Stuttgart, nice. I had my colon tested once. What do you mean with that? I don't understand what you're texting there. Man, when we catch this, we have once again a big winner with 1,700 pips. This would be insane. Insane catch. Yeah, from Stuttgart. Not the best feeling. He means cologne is aftershave in English. Yes. Of course, cologne means colonia. Yes, it's like parfum, aftershave. Yes. Sorry for my mistake, man. Was my mistake, guys. Was my mistake. Oh, man. Let's leave this open so we can see the moves. So who catched this trade with me here, guys? Who catched it? Who catched this move with me and make some profits out of it? You took it. Great, Z10. Great, Z10. Congratulations to Z10. Yes, sir. Congratulations to Next Gen. Great. But really small risk. Too small. It's fine. It's fine. I totally agree with that. It's totally fine to take low risk on these trades, guys. You need to trade the... like... You need to be able to take multiple losses, guys. I told you this many times. I caught that with you, but got out earlier. I don't hold long trades, lol. Because you're panicking or you're scared to lose, Haroon? So why you made this decision? Yes, scared a little. Gold PA not good for me. Scared of reversal, just like me, I guess. Guys, it's part of the game. You need to be really confident with that. Like, I'm telling you, Next Gen and Haroon, soon as you take this mental thought out, like of your psychology, soon as you take it out, that you're scared to lose, you're going to be profitable. You need to trade in this kind of way that you really don't care. You don't care about losses and wins either. We're just trying to make good setups, good entries. Don't look too much on the losses and then the wins and the amount of it. Of course, we're getting sometimes overhyped. And of course, I'm doing some content sometimes here and screaming like, oh my God, this is all for Instagram, guys. This is all for Instagram, that I attract more people. But in the final execution, it's really important to throw out this fearness, because it's messing up your trading game. And it messed me up many times. And killed my, because this is the worst thing you can do yourself. As soon as you are more scared in trading, and then you see the price, like now, you went out early. Look at this now. We are now around about 800 pips, I think. Look at this. 800 pips move already. 930 pips move already. This will come, but I'm a baby trader with 170 pounds account balance at the moment, but I will try to be more relaxed. Yes, then look next, then trade with 0.01 lot size, the minimum you can trade. Trade with this. I'm telling you, like, trade with the minimum. I think you trade already with the minimum, right? Or if you are you trading with higher lot sizes? And what leverage are you using in your accounts? 0.01 up, perfect. Okay. You see how perfectly the price is reacting on the previous low of the daily candle. This is exactly the reason, guys, why I'm marking out these levels, because they are so good for confirmations. Look at this. This is the previous low from this candle, okay, from yesterday. Always marking out the last low and the high of it. And then you can see, look at this, bro. Like the perfect execution. It just went up, touched it, and got rejected for some points here. Really important to take this with you guys. Before you're starting your trading day, go on the daily time frame, check the previous candle, mark out the previous high and lows. Really nice. And the good point is we are still bullish, bro. We are still bullish. Why I'm telling it's good? Because look at this. Look at this candle. Look at this reaction we had when we tapped into the zone. We still don't have this reaction because we have strong buyers inside the market. Let's check out the total move. Let's check out the total move from this to here. As a 1,500 pips move they made already. Insane. So, got scared when you said we may go into drawdown. Yes, I am trying to conquer the losing mentality. Yes, I'm just telling you guys like what can happen. But you see, I don't quit. I don't close all my position, right? And I'm still in with the last position. I have the last position open now. All position are closed. I am on break even. Even when I'm here now deep in profits with this level from this entry, I don't give a fuck because I really want to have this feeling of success soon as there's nothing better than this, guys. There's nothing better than this in trading when you have high goals with high targets, when you know it's possible that they can reach the zone, when you hit it, when you just hit it like this, when you play dart, you know, and you're shooting in the middle of it. There's nothing better than this. And when you close early and you see prices reaching this level, you're just like, why I closed early? So there are these two sides. Vantage with 1 to 500 leverage. Okay, Vantage is good. First of all, 1 to 500 is a little bit crazy. But I think you need to use 1 to 500 because your margin call will be otherwise way too early. But soon as you come to a certain level, I will recommend you to switch to 1 to 100. Learn to hold trades with 0.01. That's the most important. Yes. I will try to open one position next time, and once I hit TP1, I will take profit. Take profit from the two of them and let the run. Exactly. That's what you have to do. That's all you have to do. I didn't took profit, training my SL and profit. Trailing your SL and profit. Yes, it's also a nice way. The other day I was really pissed off that I didn't made it with this trailing. Let me see. When I see this trade, we had like this insane catch where we hit like the where we hit 3 take profit targets, I think. Yes, like no, we hit even TP4. I think it was this. And we was already out somewhere in the middle. I'm not sure. Let me check the date. Kind like in days like this, you're getting also pissed because I posted also, yes. I posted also in the Telegram as a screenshot. It was the 13th January, yes. It could be this. Let me check. Yes, it was here. It was this, I think. Yes. Here we went in. Yeah, we had here this level. We went in here. Above this level. Like, as soon as we cracked this level, I think here was the entry. And our target was, let me see, TP4 was at 4596. 45. Yeah, just wow, just like there where we are right now. Oops. 4596 and stop losses was here this low. So from 84 we went up with take profit target 96, but gold decided here, this was the New York session. Yeah, perfect. It was this New York session started, and look at this move, man. We had, like, you know, there are days like this too, guys. I'm making a trading decision and price decides to make like this kind of move, as I posted here. Like, I posted twice in the Telegram, but the first one was with the 3,700, but in total, the price made a freaking 5,000 pips move. Guys, 5,000 pips. And I was out already here. Like, this is almost the triple size of what I traded at this day. You know what I mean? This is also a nice strategy. Like, you can leave your take profit for... you can leave it open if you want. You can trail your stops. Like, going higher and higher, and always leave 2 candles distant between it. Of course, like, for example, the price is here. Then I'm putting my stop loss like somewhere here, you know? And soon as the price is going higher, here, second candle, then I would trail my stop loss up to this level. Then we are going higher and higher. You know what I mean? Trailing up is also a really nice strategy, guys. But I think trailing up stop losses is masterclass, bro. Is masterclass. Is really masterclass. So let me real quick check the current trade. What is going on here? So 50-minute candle. We have 1, 2, 3 big bullish candles. Okay, we made some decent bullish moves in here. We can measure out the bullish size we made from this down to this top. It's 1,500 pips roundabout. 30-minute time frame. Bullish move. Also the second one really strong here. The 1 hour time frame is smashing everything, guys. Everything. And if this is going to close in 9 minutes that bullish, we may have some drawdown to this down level. Maybe it's trying to fill some levels. But bro, this is a clear breakout from all of these previous candles. Look at this. We are breaking structures here, guys. This is a really, really strong buying confirmation. I'm really curious if you're going to make TP4. Looking really nice right now. What is the 4 hour candle is telling? Dude, 4 hour candle also really strong. Look at this. This is really, really nice. I'm really happy that we are inside this position right now. So this should dump now, or this is not so certain. I will try and hold till 4638. 38, a little bit risky, 38. But yes, if you decide to hold until 38, it's great. It's a great decision. It's possible. It's definitely possible. especially with the New York session, which is going to come in 1 hour. But price is losing momentum because they want to stabilize the price here. 1 hour I want to close really bullish in 7 minutes. And hopefully they're going to close bullish. Come on. It's hit Asian high, maybe drop soon. Let's see. Yes, true. We hit the Tokyo high, but we are still stable. That's what I was saying before. Look at this. This 5-minute candle closure here, still really strong inside the zone. Asian high had really big struggle to push through it. Really struggled to push through it. Look at this, how fast they got rejected here in the zone. And this is also the line of the previous daily low. That's the reason why we're getting some struggle up here. Because Asian plus the previous daily low. So what I think still, guys, making some retracements. Because otherwise maybe this maybe like otherwise this whole move will make no sense for me, you know, because we break out through the zone here. This is a clear breakout in a higher time frame. This is a clear breakout what we have here. Look at this, how long we was in a side move and pushing down and squeezing down. So that's the reason there's high potential that we go even higher. I can, like, for me would not make sense a lot. Then it's a nice fake out and we are pushing down all those levels. But what price is telling me, man, we have a lot of orders sitting in here. Okay, previously price was squeezing in and then we open up the bottle and shoot up. You know, that's the reason why I'm so confident with saying that the price should go higher. But if not, bro, we don't care. We should not go to thinking too much like, okay, price is going down now, price is going down now. As soon as we made already some profits, we can chill. We can chill. Let's just chill. And the retrace will be to the wicks of the other candles on the left. What do you mean? Like, you mean this here on the left side from the Asian session? It's so cool to listen to someone with the knowledge and experience to understand what is actually happening. I'm so glad, guys. Thank you so much for this feedback, for this love, for this motivation you're giving me. And also props to my girlfriend who's motivating me. Yesterday, she was texting me so many things like, hey, don't worry, stuff like this happen. Also, big props to my girlfriend. Love you. I really appreciate you. I appreciate you guys too, man. This is the reason why I'm doing this. I'm helping you guys coming up. I'm giving you my knowledge that I gained in many, many years. And any trader in the world is doing also some big losses. I'm not the only one. Also, trader like TJR making big losing days. All these ICT guys who are on the top making big losing days. It's part of it. Is trading your full-time job? Yes. So, I'll be right back, guys. We are watching the just give me some minutes. So we making some drawdowns here. One hour candle is open, and 1 hour the New York session is going to open. Let's wait and see, family. And I somehow have a feeling it's gonna test entry and go up then. Let's see. If we close below 11.5. Yeah. Of course, like moves like this always do drawdowns also, guys. It's normal. So we can measure out the 50% mark. Our 50% mark is close to the stop loss. It's below the stop loss actually. This is the 50% mark. Let's see if we're going to get a reaction here. If price is going to dip in this 50% mark, at this here, this middle is more or less the golden ratio. This is happening also really often, guys. Price loves to retest. I can show you, like, I can show you the proof that the Fibonacci tool is really important. Let me look for a nice example. This should be a nice example here. If I draw out here, this level to this high, look at this. This is the 50% mark. From the recent low to the recent high, I just draw out this line, and this is the 50% mark here. This is the 50% mark, and voila, it's like magic. Look how price is dipping inside the 50% mark. Fibonacci is really important. Price loves, like when it's make a shot, okay, like from the previous low to the previous high, and starting to making drawdowns from there. Then you can start to measure out with the Fibonacci tool to see the 100% move have done. Let's see where is the recent 50% move of the previous bullish move, for example, and mark out this completely level here. We can do it here again. You just have to mark it out like in the perfect way. And look at this. Price loves to dip back into the zone to see and confirm, okay, is this bullish move really confirmed? And as soon as you're dipping inside here and you see price is rejecting over and over again, you could maybe do your next entry just in here or just in here after this candle closure here, where you're breaking the structure to the left side. Also a really common strategy. That's the reason I love to use the Fibonacci tool. So let's check out. Here in our current trade, recent low, recent high. What happened? We just dipped. We just tapped into the recent 50% move. Now the important part is this 50% move, this 50% area valid for us or not? If not, you're going to see that the price don't care and sellers are coming into the market and destroying this 50% move. There are days like this too. This doesn't guarantee anything, but price loves to react on it. And as you can see, price is reacting on it. It just dipped into it slightly and we're getting huge upwards move, you can see here. I closed all at 50, maybe re-enter soon. I wouldn't enter. I wouldn't enter at all. Like, my strategy is doing one good setup. If the setup is winning, if we hit take profit 2, when we hit take profit 2, it's already closed for me. I'm not going to trade more. If we are losing, I have the second chance setup, so I made another trading setup. And I'm sticking to it, to this plan. I don't like to trade more than 2 setups in a day. So I can not give you any advices. I don't give financial advices always. As I say, I'm trading myself. What you do is depending on your own responsibility. But let's leave this 50% mark open, that we can also really see if they're going to break it or not. I do FIB wicks. I do FIB with wicks. Why do you prefer to check on closure, or what is the difference? Wicks. Because the important, like the wicks are not important. The wicks are not important at all. Only at confirmation, when you can see, okay, price dipped into a zone. But when you do your FIB, you always choose the candle closure, the recent low candle closure and the recent high candle closure. Because this is the final confirmation where price opened and closed. Sorry, not open to close. It's actually open to open. Because candle opened here, went down, went back up. And here. No, sorry, it's correct. From open to close, what I'm talking, bro. Price also here opened and closed here at the top. Price open here, closed here at the top. From open to close. So, we are retesting this level. We are retesting the 50% mark. We are retesting this levels to the left side here. And when we are getting some reactions soon,
what you want?
Then we have a chance to make it. But I don't see any buyers right now. I want to see a nice buying candle closure with good bullish potential. This actually could be it. If this 3-minute candle closing really strong bullish, closing this 50-minute candle positive, good chance to overcast the previous bearish candle for more up potential, but not confirmed yet. Also, I can give you my Fibonacci settings if you like, guys. I can give it to you. If you want the Fibonacci settings. Wird die Signalgruppe bald was kosten? Will safe drinne bleiben dann? Lohnt sich 100%. Bin erst 2 Wochen da, aber die Gruppe hochgescrollt. Hab aber die Gruppe hochgescrollt. Ja, die Gruppe wird irgendwann kostenpflichtig, aber für die Leute, die jetzt drinne sind, nicht. Die Leute, die drinne sind, die ersten 250 Leute, die in dieser Gruppe sind, wir sind jetzt bei 165. Ich habe auch nicht mehr wirklich Marketing drauf geschaltet gerade, um einfach wieder organisch Leute ranzuholen. Aber ja, die Gruppe wird kosten. Die Leute, die jetzt drin sind, haben eine LTA. Das bedeutet ein Lifetime Access, also dein Leben lang wirst du kostenlose Signale von dieser Gruppe erhalten. Und alles, was danach kommt, muss eine monatliche Subscription Fee zahlen. So I translated in English. The friend asked if the Telegram channel is going to cost something. I said yes. In the future, it's going to cost for the people who coming after the first 250 people inside the group, where we're going to have like a little subscription fee where you have to pay for the signals. We planned also like mentorship programs, strategy plans for new traders, for traders with experience, to share my strategy with them. Everything is planned, guys, for you. What is going on, man? I'm just so tired today. So the price can potentially now bounce back to seek new high. Yes, as I said. Currently we are still stable, guys. We are still stable. We touched this 50% mark. But really weak. It's really weak, to be honest. The last 10 seconds. As I can see, buyers are more dominating the market currently. We still don't have any reaction from buyers. 30 minutes is going to close also in 50 minutes. But as you can see, it's making a long wick to the downside. If this 50-minute candle going to close positive, also nice confirmation. And I'm really not worried about this 1 hour candle at all, because I don't think that this 1 hour candle can overcast this previous big bullish confirmation here. So I still see a lot of buying potential in here. The only part is we made this low here and shot up here. We still don't have like the best breakout. Okay, a real clear breakout will be this level. This level. As soon as we crack this Asia high from Tokyo and the previous daily candle low, we would have a really nice breakout, and then we can shoot even higher, because then we have a clear price direction also in the daily time frame. But yeah, this was just a little scalp today we took. Can take out this alarm here. Finally! Finally! Come on, buyers. Come on, buyers. Let's go back up. Let's climb back up. Let's climb. Beautiful. 50-minute candle. When we can overcast this candle, the previous ones will be beautiful. Let's go. Let's go, family. We want that. We want it. So in the 1 minute, we can see a clear breakout. As you can see here, this level to the downside and this level to the upside. We made a crack to the upside level and we are trying to reach back. Or this is going to be a retest to this previous low of this level and we're going to reverse here once again. But for me, this is looking like a nice breakout currently in the 1 minute, which is a little confirmation. Like for us it's important. We can get some some information from the 1 minute candle, but 1 minute candle is not final, guys. 1 minute candle is never final. 1 minute is just little informations. The more important are the higher time frames, okay? Because in 5 minutes, in 50 minutes, 30 minutes, a lot can happen. Okay, it's really hard to predict inside the 1 minute. So don't take 1 minute too serious. They just helping you to give to get some more information of the current state. But the important time frames for our trading is the 5 minute, 15, 30 minute, 1 hour. Okay, and the 4 hour and the daily time frame is important for the previous daily highs and lows and also for market direction. And there's also one big thing I want to give you on the way. Don't forget this, guys. A ranging market, okay, where price is squeezing, always lead to a huge breakout. As you can see here, price is ranging. As you can see here, price is ranging always on one level, from up and down, up and down. Many orders get filled, many orders are placed, leading to a breakout. And look at this breakout move we are doing. You understand? This is happening always. You just need to understand in which direction is the breakout going to go. Okay? Consolidating market, sideways going market always lead to a breakout. And this strategy I love to trade, to be honest. Also. Okay, let's check what's going on here. 50 minutes. 5 minutes. 30 minutes have 9 minutes to go. Come on, 30 minutes. You can still do this. You can still go and close bullish. I did re-enter it with low risk. SL on the previous entry. If we hit above the Asia high, I go on break even. TP open. If you look at daily time frame, maybe actually run up. It's on your own responsibility. As I said, I wouldn't re-enter again. But if you don't have your greed and your emotion under control and deciding to re-enter, it's on your own risk, bro. Because what is pushing you to re-enter is because you want to make more money, and you need to take this thought out of your mind, man. Because this greed is going to break you, bro. It break many traders. It break me in the past many times, man. I almost felt in depression. I was in depression actually, man, because I was thinking like, okay, I don't know what I'm doing sometimes. I was not faithful in myself. I didn't understand what is going on, and this is what's called trading psychology. It's a really, really big part in trading. Control your emotions, control your greed. Telling this also every time again. I'm just telling you guys the mistakes I made in the past. Did you ever had the mentor? Actually not, no. Like I never booked a mentorship program or any other trader who teach me. I teach this all by myself, watching YouTube tutorials. But I never went to a full coaching program where I got the coaching for, you know. And do you have some books that helped? Poof. There are some books that helped me, definitely, yeah. For example, the book Power. I don't know if you know the book Power. But there's one guy who helped me the most. He's the mentor of my life. He's the mentor of everything for me. He's the mentor for everything inside me. And his name is Jesus Christ, bro. His name is Jesus Christ. And I'm ready to die for this man. So many times it needed to get saved by him. His name is Jesus Christ. I'm a Christian guy. And I have a lot of faith in him and his words. He turned the table for me actually, man. When I started to convert to Christianity, things changed for me, bro. I'm telling you. So we are close to break even. We have some big pushes coming in here, which is fine. I'm sad for my friend who did the re-enter. That's the reason why I don't re-enter. There is no guarantee for anything. Be happy with what you have. Be happy with the profits we made already. And don't let yourself controlled by your greed. And these things have been said. Break even hit for me. Break even hit for me. And just like that, we are going to end this week, my friends. I love the Secret. Good book. Yes, I read it also. The Secret is also a really nice book. But it's going to be a little bit against the Christianity. Because some people say like, hey, there's too much stuff because you do manifestation and stuff like this. But some of things inside it are also in the Bible, which is really interesting, you know, with things like believing, you know, when you believe, you can change your whole reality. That's what the book is saying. And Jesus said, only you believe and your faith in me healed you. Okay, guys, so thank you for this week. Thank you, New York session, for devastating for us this week. Thank you, the current market state, to bring us some losses in that we tanked. Thank you, Jesus Christ, that we made a good day today and that we are going to close this week. Thanks for everyone who tuned in this live stream. We're going to see each other next week on the Monday. We see what the market offers us, and hopefully we are going to be all still alive with this current politics situation. So thank you, sir. Thank you to my friend. Enjoy the profits. We are seeing each other next week. Love is going out. Kisses are going out. Bye bye, bros. Bye bye, my broskies.